Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So today is July the 5th. It's about 9:15 a.m. Eastern here in US. I want to bring you an update on Bitcoin. We have been seeing a decent bounce in the last few days in Bitcoin. So I want to bring you a follow-up and a quick update on Bitcoin. So before we get started, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit those notifications and the bell icon, so you can get this content right away. I have said it plenty of time on this channel that we are in a very dynamic market and it's constantly changing, so we have to really keep up with it. We have to really adapt to that market. So make sure that you're constantly re-evaluating your position, because what might be relevant a few days ago might not be relevant today. All right, so let's get it started. Bitcoin right now is trading around 6,640. So if you refer back to the video channel, if you refer back to the content that I created, on July the 1st, I created the morning update on Sunday regarding Bitcoin. I was saying that there might be a momentum shift coming up toward the upside in Bitcoin, and we might be getting out of that down channel that we have been sitting in. So the down channel that I was mentioning in that video on Sunday, July the 1st, was this down channel right here. All right, so we on a few days ago we got that momentum and we got out of that down channel in Bitcoin, and a lot of the altcoins as well. So a lot of the altcoins were sitting in that, either they were in the falling wedge pattern or the down channel, and we broke out of those things. Now the only question is, can we stay over that down channel and can we keep on pushing higher? So there are a few things that we have to look for in order to have a confirmation and in order to kind of justify that move, that okay, we have seen a recent low and the future trading will be on the upside. All right, so the number one thing that you want to make sure that we are first thing is making sure that we are making a newer high of this. Right now, if I zoom this in a little bit, and let's go to a smaller time frame, so that will kind of give you a better, let's go to an 8-hour time frame. Okay, so if I look at the 8-hour time frame, we made this double bottom right here, we broke out, had let me zoom further in so it's easy to read. So if we made this double bottom right here, we broke out, bull flag, another breakout, try to make it bull flag, try to make it run. What we're lacking right now is volume. Okay, so we need to see a decent volume in order to get out of this 6,700 6,600 zone. Okay, if we can get out of that zone, that will take us to that next level, which is around 7,000 7,200. That will be a next level of resistance for Bitcoin. Now, as far as the support goes, we need to look for the 6,000 6,400 6,450. That is a good support level for Bitcoin for intermediate. Okay, now we have to hold that support level in order to have that momentum on the upside. One thing I really want to mention, let's go back to the daily time frame. Okay, so I want to show so right now we are in 2018, so let's look at what kind of trading took place back around the same time frame back in 2017 and also 2016. So let's go back into the time and let's see what kind of trading took place back around July, August time frame in 2017. So if you look at so right now we here this is the chart for 2017 July, August time frame. Okay, so if you look at in July, we had this nice dip in July time frame, and then all of a sudden we had this momentum up, shift up, and then we had a nice rally from that that point on, that took us all the way to that the September, then minor pullback, and then all the way November, December. And most of you who have been following the channel know that what happened since then. We have been in that uptrend until early January. Okay, so July, August, I have said it before, summertime, June, July are the times when a lot of traders, a lot of professional traders are on vacations. They are spending time with friends and family. So there's not too much action that goes on during the summertime, but a lot of traders will be coming back to their desk around that late July, August time frame, and then they will start actively trading, and the liquidity will come back into the market. So that's what I'm trying to imply, that the lack of volume might be a reason right now that a lot of traders are not in their office, at their desk. So keep that in mind. So that was 2017. Okay, let's go back more to 2016. All right. Let's see what kind of trading or price action we are seeing in 2016. So we are back again in July right here. So July 2016, if you remember, look at this. We had this side pattern in July, and then a big drop in July right here. We got the support from the 200-day moving average, and then we had the nice tick up since July onward. Late July and then August onward. Nice momentum up, broke out, pull back. So what I'm trying to say, coming back to the present 2018, let's go back. All right. Alright, so what I'm trying to say right here is we have been sitting in this downtrend for a while now. I won't be surprised if this was a recent low, and this recent low of 5,700 sticks, and then we make the upward momentum toward perhaps 10,000 and higher into August, September. Now, I'm saying I won't be surprised. Am I saying it will happen? No, no one can say that. No one can predict that. Probabilities wise, and going back in the past and seeing the scenarios, what happened, took place, you can always have the educated guess, but no one can tell you for fact that is the scenario that will pan out. Okay, I'm not here to tell you that. If someone is telling you that, then I would recommend staying away from those kind of people. So just be realistic. Okay, I'm telling you the scenarios that can happen, but is it going to happen? That is, your guess is as good as mine. All right, so please remember that I'm not here to sell you something. I'm here to just give you my opinion, my thoughts, and so please do your own due diligence, do your own research. That's how you become a better trader. I cannot guide you throughout your career, of your trading career, so you eventually have to learn a lot of things on your own. Okay, so please do keep those things in mind. So what I'm saying is, I won't be surprised if we have the momentum up in late July, early August, and we make our way toward 10,000 and perhaps higher. The past trading patterns have shown us that usually late July and August, early August, we do see a momentum shift. Traders, the professional traders coming back into the market from their vacations, and start actively trading. So keep those things in mind, and don't get discouraged by the lack of volume and lack of action, because when the things happen, when things are moving, you want to be part of that. So make sure you're not getting yourself burned out, and just your market is because that's how a lot of amateur traders get burned out. They try to force the trade where there's no trade. Okay, so don't try to force yourself into a trade. Let the trade come to you. Okay, sit back, relax, let the trade come to you. You cannot jump into every single possible trade. There are day trade, and I'm going to tell you one thing. Day trading is not a very successful profession. Okay, day trading, again, I'm going to say this again, most of the day trader most of the traders, more than 90% of the day traders, are not successful in their life, because they're trying to push into the position that they are not, that the trades are not there. So don't become a day trader, because you will try to push yourself into a trade. 3-4 trade might go into your favor. Next few that might not go in your favor, it will take all that profit and more. So remember, you trade when there is a good risk to reward scenarios. Okay, so keep those things in mind. In this bottom, I was keep on saying that, hey, if there's a dip, I will be buying. If there's a dip, I will be buying. So remember that. If you want to get into the market right now, you can. It's really up to you. Something like, you can put maybe stop loss at 6,400 right here, or 6,300. Whatever is your risk tolerance, or 3%, 4%, whatever the risk tolerance you want to take. So just make sure you're putting your stop losses if you're getting into the trade. Let's not just go blindfolded and think everything is rosy. Now we are gonna go to the next high, we are gonna go to moon. Who knows, that could happen. But to make money, we are not in Vegas right now. So if you want to gamble, then you might have better luck going to casino. So so let's not gamble here. Let's have a educated trade, making sure the scenarios and the trade are in our favor. That's how we will make money. Okay, so just in recap now, right now the Bitcoin is trading around 6,600. We have a good support around 6,400 right now. As long as we stay over the support right now, I think there might be some momentum that we can go towards 7,000 in next few days, by the weekend perhaps. So let's see what happens. And as I said, 2017 and 2016, we were in the similar scenario where July was making a near low of the year, and then we had a momentum shift toward the upside and into the next half of the year. And I won't be very surprised if that pattern repeats itself. A lot of the professional traders usually come back from vacations around that time, late July, early August. So keep those things in mind. If you're going into the trade, make sure you're not going without stop losses. If you're going to trade, make sure you're not going without your stop losses. Limit your risk, and the profit will take care of it on its own. All right, so that's all, guys. Let me know if you have any question, post it in the comment, and we'll go from there. Talk to you soon.